A voter turnout of 64.58% was recorded in the third phase of the Lok Sabha election. In this phase, which concluded yesterday, 93 Lok Sabha seats from 10 states and 1 union territory went to polls. Campaigning has intensified for the remaining phases of the Lok Sabha polls. Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi reached Hyderabad last night for another round of electioneering in the state in support of BJP candidates. The Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested 4 accused in a case related to the trafficking of Indian nationals for combat roles in the Russian army. The Indian Meteorological Department has informed and predicted scattered to fairly widespread light rainfall accompanied by isolated thunderstorms, lightning and wind over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura for the next 7 days. In boxing, the Indian contingent wrapped up their electrifying journey at the ASBC Asian Under-22 and Youth Boxing Championships with a remarkable haul of 43 medals in Astana, Kazakhstan.